and Brian, we're here today to honor the memories, the mistakes, the milestones, and the magic. To honor the perseverance, determination, and stick-with-itness of your commitment through thick and thin, and all the ways you've made life better and more bearable for one another. To honor the growth, maturation, endurance, stories, and surprises that make up your 12-year relationship. To honor all the ways that you've shaped and influenced each other's becoming, and the partnership that is bigger and stronger than the dopamine-derived high of early love. We're here to celebrate your commitment, the commitment that you in some sense made in college, and the commitment you're formalizing today. Dave Burns wrote that commitment isn't simply promising not to leave someone. It's to do the opposite of leaving. The word's Latin roots mean to send forth fully. Commitment isn't about sticking with something, it's about moving towards it with your entire being. In some ways, you're destined to fail at this every day, to rest on the laurels of your marriage, pretend not to notice each other's subtler feelings, or rush out of the house with a brief and distracted kiss. But commitment would have no real purpose without these failures and drifts. So it is with these blessings and by the beauty and power of your vows and declarations and this communal ceremony that we joyfully recognize you as married. You can kiss now, you can cheer now.